Good morning, all dear students. Today we will be discuss a very important topic of BCom part first year students. BCom part first year MGSU Bikaner syllabus of BCom part first ABST paper first financial accounting. Today we will be discuss a topic on generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles. All students are requested to note the important notes of this e-content and watch the video at the end. Let's start. Generally accepted accounting principles. Accounting is the language of business. Accounting is the language of business. In this absence of a systematic approach, accountants may use own language and whatever they will be writing will not be understood in the same sense by other concerned will not be understood in the same sense by the other concerned. Thus the uniformity understanding accounting records only possible when some standard language it is used. Standard language use possible to understanding accounting records. To make the language more meaningful to the users, the professional accountants all over the world, they have certain principles, concept, conventions which represent a conscious view of those accountants. Conscious view of those accountants. As these principles have been recognized all over the world by accounting people, so these are generally referred as generally accepted accounting principles. Accounting principles. Have developed over a course operated from usage, region, experience, historical precedents, statement of individuals, professional bodies, and regulation of government agency. Regulation of government agency. Of course, these principles are not statics and are bound to change the passage of time in response to the changing need of the business. Changing need of the business. Alternative terms accounting principle have included standard practice postulates, basic accounting assumptions of concept, axioms, and conversation. The International Accounting Standard Committee has been new developed 32 accounting standard, which two have been withdrawn. New developed 32 accounting standard, which two have been withdrawn. Two have been withdrawn. The Institute of Chartered Accountants India has also set up a body. India have also set up a body. No accounting standard board. No accounting standard board, which has so far issued 32 accounting standard in India. So far issued 32 accounting standard in India. It is noteworthy the accounting principles are not regarded and universal acceptable like those physical science. They are only the board guidelines for those basis points of agreement on which financial accounting theory and practice are founded. Financial accounting theory and practice are founded. They are judged on their journal accountability rather than universal accountability to the makers and the use of financial statement. It is a technical concept that describes the basic rules, concept, conventions, procedures that the present accepted accounting practice at a particular time. At a particular time, they represent conscious view of the accounting profession in the relations of good accounting practice and procedures. Good accounting practice and procedures of generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles of main principles are used in the accounting. Stable all over the world, 32 new accounting standard issued by India and 32 accounting standard issued International Accounting Standard Committee and two have been withdrawn. accounting standard are very systematic approach to understood the language of business. All over the world, one language use no difference in accounts of India and other countries. Use accounting standard. Accounting standard is very important for accounting. Thank you. Thank you very much.